Hey there, this is Junior from the Binary Lab. And first of all, I want to make an announcement and tell you that my website, at this point of time, if you're watching this video, may be down still from security upgrades because we had a whole weekend of hacker attacks and I just wanted to upgrade the security measures in my system. But in the meantime, if you wish to contact me, find out more about the Binary Lab, please go to my Facebook page instead. It's facebook.com/the Binary Lab page. If you have any inquiries, whatever, you can post it there. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you about the job of a binary options broker, retention department, personnel's job scope. Okay, so the retention basically when you go to a binary options broker, there are typically two kinds of people that you deal with. One is the front end. Basically, their job is just to get you to deposit and verify an account, and then after that, you are transferred to someone in the retention department, and that's why sometimes they will say that pleased to meet you. My name is this and this. I'm taking over from this person. I'll be helping you to make some profits in your binary options account, and then you're thinking, oh great. So what I want you to get in this video, get out of watching this video, is to understand some of the, I would say not so good stuff, all right, that happen with brokers, and this is going to help save you from losing money unnecessarily by following advices of people that are really not out for your personal interest, but for their own or the company's instead. Okay, so as I mentioned in my previous videos, like for example, I had a video about why your broker account manager is not your friend. Another video giving a case study about how a regulated broker, Bank Binary, may be regulated by SISAC, but at the same time, the ethics of operation is totally not, right? So I gave you a total account of how the account manager there helped to basically spin out and wipe out the client's accounts, the client's money in their account. So really, really nasty stuff. And today I want to tell you about the modus operandi of this. And I know this very well because I'm in the binary industry for 4 years now, almost 4 years, and I've been to conferences, expos, you name it. So I've traveled to various events in Hong Kong and Europe, USA as well, just to speak with people inside of the binary industry, like owners, key decision makers, sales department people as well. So I know various departments, various kind of brokers from good to bad. Okay, and even for the good ones that pay, sometimes they still have a couple of black sheep. As a matter of fact, some of them still have account managers that are out there to basically aggressively serve the company's interest and not yours. So over here, I want to tell you how to avoid these cases. I want to show you how it works. I want to talk you through some of the scenarios that can happen, so that if you have been previously a victim of this, you can relate to what I say and be able to avoid the next time that happens to you. And simultaneously, if you're new to the binary options industry, I want to also encourage you to tell you that the binary options industry is a very good way to make money online really fast. But at the same time, you also need to be very, very careful about what you do with your profits, and how you can protect yourself from losing your hard-earned profits to people that do not have your interest at heart. So typically, when you join a binary options broker, you'll be dealing with two account managers. One will be the support manager. This person's duty is to help you to deposit your funds and verify your account. And you soon be transferred to a second person known as the retention manager. So the retention manager typically likes to offer signals or trading services to you, or let's say to introduce you to some kind of a trading group where they'll be posting regular signals and trading calls. So I want to relate to you a very recent example by someone who has written to me at my Facebook page. Once again, it's facebook.com/the Binary Lab page. And so this person said that as soon as she deposited with a broker, and this was prior to the Binary Lab, so she didn't know. She just thought that it was a legitimately good offer when the account manager said, hi, my name is so and so. I'm taking over from this other guy, and from now I'm going to be your account manager, and I'm going to be teaching you how to profit in binary options trading and help you grow your account. And would it be okay if I could send you some winning some winning signals? I still have some. Okay.
Okay.
So, would it be okay if I could send you some winning signals to help you grow your account? And she says, oh yeah, sure. And then after a while, a couple of wins in the first week, gets super enthusiastic, right? And then the account manager says, as you can see, these signals are really, really good stuff. I think if you really want to grow your account, you should start taking bigger trades. And then the second week, boom, all the trades lose. Let's say majority of the trades lose. And then as the as the person loses morale, the account manager says, you should not be taking smaller trades. You should keep up at the same size because you need to understand the probability, right? Let's say if 80% you win, 20% you lose, maybe this is just a 20%, and what's going to come in the next few weeks are going to be all wins. So please maintain at these large trade sizes. So this person goes down trading like $200 trades again and again and again, and find that it's so hard to afford to continue trading $200 trades that she says, hey, this has been too much because I've been following all your signals, and what's happening now is that my account is going down and down. So she goes back to the account manager. The account manager says, this is what I can do for you. I cannot return you your cash, unfortunately, but what I can do to help you is to offer you a bonus. So with this bonus, I'll be able to bring your account back to what it was, and you can continue trading again. Would that be good? So the newbie trader does not know well about bonuses, and is not even a good enough trader to be able to produce volume without using signals, and says yes. Okay, we all know from my previous videos, I'll also share with you as well, that the bonus always has a criteria of 25 to 50 times, depending on the broker and the amount of bonus received. So let's say if in this program, following their shitty signals, made your account drop from 2,000 to 1,000, and you take another 1,000, and at 1,000, for the 1,000 bonus that you receive, you have to trade, for example, on average, okay, 30 times of that. So you need to produce $30,000 worth of trades before you can actually do any withdrawals on your account. Okay, so once again, there are brokers such as 24 Option, which I like because they don't have this stupid rule that where it says that you have to hit this volume before you can make any withdrawals at all. Because at 24, you can simply just cancel your bonus, they remove the bonus from your account, and then you can withdraw any money that's left. That's actually proper practice, right? And that's why I like working at 24. But a lot of the other brokers work in a different way instead. And unfortunately, depending on where your geography is, especially in the United States, there aren't many brokers that work in the same way as 24 Options. So you just need to be very aware of this. Say no to bonuses, period. Okay, so let's continue the case. So this person, let's give her a name, Mary. Mary accepted a $1,000 bonus to make up for the $1,000 loss she incurred from following all the rubbish signals from the broker, and then she continues taking the trades at once again, like maybe $100 each. The broker says, okay, fine. If you want to be a bit more conservative, how about you take like $100 trades instead? And then she does that. The account goes a little bit once again, and they start firing her shit trades, right? And then she says that, this is BS. You told me last week that if this all is a 20%, the next batch of trades are going to be wins. And why am I still seeing loss after loss after loss? So the account manager, basically disappears, right? Happens. If any of you has experienced that kind of situation, please comment down beneath this video so that other people can see that what I'm saying is true, right? So Mary now gets frustrated. She wants to withdraw, and then realizes that the email address of the account manager no longer exists. It's bounced, right? It's very, very often this happens because sometimes it may seem that there are like 30 different people in the company. In fact, there can only be 2. Sometimes it's just like this one or two retention managers using many aliases, so that sometimes if you catch them off guard, they may know something about you, and they're like, how do you know that? So you write to support, and then they say that, oh, this guy is no longer with us, but here's this other person who can assist you instead. Then the new person says, unfortunately, looking at your account, you have previously agreed to a bonus condition of 30 times volume, which is $30,000. And until you hit 30,000, now you're only at let's say at 5,000, and you still have $25,000 worth of trades to do before you can make a withdrawal. And then Mary gets pissed, and then she's stuck. So, and then this time, this person tries to build trust. The new manager tries to build trust, which really probably is the same person. Starts feeding, instead of 1 week of good trades, feeds her 2 weeks of good trades. And then she thinks that this person is really good. Mrs. Mary, I think I've proven to you that maybe the previous person wasn't very honest, but I've proven to you that my signals are very good. Would you like to recover your account by investing some more money so that with these good signals that I provide, you can build your account up again? So Mary does that, and then the next moment, poof, shit signals. And then before long, her $1,000 account, her $2,000 account, then become 1,000 because of the shit signals. Then to a bonus back up to 2,000. 2 more shit signals, and then it went down and back up to 2,000. And then after that, after building the trust with a new broker, they sent shit signals again. She deposited another 5,000, became a $7,000 account. Give her shit signals and wipe it down to 2,000 left. And then, but finally, she has hit the bonus requirement. She is able to keep the bonus, and she has deposited up to now a total of 7,000. But she is fed up of the game, and is finally able to withdraw the remaining 2,000 in the account. So she's basically paid 5,000 and encountered a lot of mental stress, and just only get to keep 2,000 of her own $7,000. This is the modus operandi of many bastard account managers in the industry. So in this video, I wish to warn you that these kind of account managers can be at any broker. If you're looking to join the Binary Lab for free, you can. If you're not already aware, you can actually join the Binary Lab for free using our link at the bottom of this video description. Just open a broker account through the Binary Lab, and you get to enjoy a free membership with the Binary Lab. But even so, as far as possible, select 24 options. For the rest of them, you need to be very careful. All these brokers that we include on Binary Lab are all screened. Screen, I mean in terms of withdrawal, they pay on withdrawal requests. But you still need to exercise your own diligence, and like I say, refuse all offers as far as possible. Okay, I personally do not pick up any overseas calls, and I keep my communication strictly to email, and I refuse all bonuses unless unless there's a very special case scenario, such as that when I went to withdraw early, they could just cancel the bonus, I get to withdraw. So that way I keep everything to minimal. I reject all signals. So reject all signals, reject all coaching, reject all kinds of stuff, and that way binary options can still be a very profitable way. Okay, so binary options is a great way. Just be sure that you are not one of the you be sure to keep yourself in one of the minority that's making money. So when it comes to trading and profits, I wish to end this video by sharing a quote from Warren Buffett. He says that the financial markets is a legitimate way that allows the patient to siphon money from the impatient. Okay, so do not be one of the impatient ones to try to make fast gains through account manager signals or like trade for you services or or bonuses and all that. But instead, legitimately get yourself trained and then hone your skill in trading, slow and steady, increase your trade size bit by bit, and once you get the hang of it, then start to deposit more, start to trade higher amounts, and then you can find that your trading becomes a full-time income, and then you can actually start to make very regular, like weekly or bi-monthly withdrawals. That is the proper way trading should be. And that way you can do it entirely through yourself. Your money is entirely in your control, not your account manager's control or anything like that. That's all I want to say in this video. And once again, if you have any questions about trading, you can contact me on my Facebook page, facebook.com/thebinarylab page. Bye for now.